One of Chicago's defining characteristics is that a river runs through it. But unlike that Brad Pitt film of the same name, you won't be fly fishing for trout. Instead, you'll be dining at one of the many famous restaurants in the area that Chicagoans flock to treat themselves. An area north of the river. Yes, we are talking about River North, which isn't all nightlife and hustle and bustle. It has serene riverside parks where you can still enjoy Chicago's iconic skyline. Today, we are exploring the northwestern edge of this sought-after neighborhood where four-story mansions are neatly packed in like rowhouses and streets are cleaner than a plate of tiramisu after date night at one of the many Italian restaurants that grace these romantic streets. This part of River North is exactly where you want to be. Moments to the life of the party, yet far enough from it to feel serenity surrounded with lush parks and quiet tree-lined streets, and this secluded part of the Riverwalk. Lying 25 levels tall on the corner of Chicago and Hudson Ave, the Hudson offers the perfect blend of convenience and quiet, featuring 240 flawless apartments. Join me as we live every moment in luxury at the Hudson.
We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3.
So many people are moving to Chicago, but few know how to live Chicago. With all the new construction happening, you deserve the inside scoop on Chicago's booming housing market. You deserve to live it up. My name is Stephanie Spenner, and as an apartment broker, I know the city like the back of my hand. Aside from revealing the hidden gems, I'll show you everything you are missing about apartment living in the Windy City. Avoid the dumps and discover luxury living in the hottest neighborhoods. So what are you waiting for? Let our city become your city. Live shy. The Hudson screams luxury and sophistication from inside to out, from their ultra-rich interior finishes to the 20,000 square foot resort-inspired pool deck and amenities spaces. Being Ani Group's first Chicago project developed in 2017, they sure made a splash. Ani builds to keep, they don't build to sell, and you can tell. It's a bit of a mature vibe here, given there are no studio or convertible options, but offering 1-bedrooms up to 3-bedroom penthouses, up to 1,950 square feet, featuring massive private terraces. You have the conveniences of Chicago Ave at your door with the CTA Brown and Purple Line trains a few blocks east, while Hudson Avenue takes you into the quieter, more residential part of River North, like the Riverwalk and Larrabee Dog Park. Don't worry, there's a large outdoor dog park on site as well, with a heated overhang for colder days. How perfect. But let's check out some neighborhood eats that are easy to love. Like the locals' fave, Erie Cafe, just around the corner. Bring your pup or your bestie and enjoy the cutest riverside eating with options from sandwiches to prime rib. You'll be coming back for sure. While there's so much more to River North, this is just the pocket surrounding you, living at the Hudson. Keep following to explore more. Not sure where or when to start looking for your next dream apartment home? Just reach out and we'll get the ball rolling. Let me take the stress out of the move. Follow us on YouTube and Instagram, and don't forget to share Live Shy with your friends. Whether working from home or anywhere in the city, the Hudson's location offers conveniences unlike any other property. From the easy access to public transportation to the quick zip down Chicago Avenue to the expressway, you're in the loop or on the highway in no time. Not to mention Groupon's headquarters is across the street. And Ogden Elementary, as well as one of Loyola campuses, are nearby if you prefer a walking commute to your everyday routine. Grab your go-to Starbucks Joe right here in the lobby on your way out, or grab yourself a bagel or pastry at Goddess and the Grocer, your neighborhood cafe and market just a few blocks north. Those work-from-homers have options too. Cozy up here for the day. Or be productive in one of the many elegant lounge spaces or at the business center back home. I'm already motivated with this 16-person dining room table that I'll pretend to use as my conference room for the day, while also being reservable when you want to host a holiday party for friends or family. You even get the terrace privately when you reserve the space, allowing for a barbecued meal or just some fresh air. Entertain indoors or out with several private outdoor dining and grilling areas that'll make you a master griller before you know it. The heated pool is great for laps in the morning or chilling at night and taking in the city views. Kick back and relax at the hot tub or cuddle up by any one of the many fireplaces as you realize you are now living the resort life. The Hudson's Fitness Center is huge, especially for only 240 apartment homes. There's even a dry sauna for your post-workout wind down. There's a separate yoga and group fitness studio if you prefer a virtually taught class or just a little privacy. You'll never want to leave this kind of luxury. What makes the Hudson most special are their floor plans with flex spaces. Check out this one-bed flex with overhead lighting and a pocket door, plus 2 full bathrooms. You can make this an extra bedroom, a nursery, office, whatever fits your lifestyle. Fully decked out with high-end integrated Bosch kitchen appliances throughout. Overhead gas range hood, soft closing cabinets, roller shades, and full-size GE front loader washer and dryer. You are bound to be impressed the moment you get home. This one offers sunny southern views of your millionaire neighbors. These one-bedrooms are not even 700 square feet, believe it or not, but feel much larger thanks to the Jack and Jill bathroom and the amazing walk-through custom-fitted closets that maximize storage. Massive kitchen with abundant counter space featuring dramatic waterfall quartz counters to add to the luxe. While every apartment home here features their own private outdoor space, some larger than others. Stick around as we showcase a one-of-a-kind, uber luxury 3-bedroom penthouse next.
I got juice boxes for days, beaten to the yellow with the purplish haze. It's cold on the side where there's no one to hold. Feels so I assume the moon do.
This 13-foot kitchen island alone will have your jaw dropped the second you walk in. You'll be drooling by the time you reach the private outdoor terrace, perfect for alfresco dining, grilling, and chilling. You can start your own herb garden or greenhouse out here. It's huge. A separate but open, designated dining area adds to the charm with killer sunset views as you cheers to the weekend. You will love that the primary bedroom is on its own wing of the space with ultimate privacy from your guests on the other side, as well as double vanities and a bathroom to die for.
You might like it. I got dumb good taste. I don't need another nibble to figure the odds of something so familiar. I'm my own rich man. Catch me if you can, but I bet that you won't. I just want a man, not a murder, she wrote. I heard it was plain in the notes. Where's my lotion? Lost my lotion. Climbing up the wall, searching in the dark. Love is out of reach, always ends before it starts. I know I eat too much, but right now I'm just thirsty. So hurry me up a good time, I'll be gone before the morning. It feels so I assume the mood do. It feels so I assume the mood do. It feels so I assume the mood do. It feels how I assume the mood do. Oh wait, I'm supposed to go. Is that how it is?